Hi, this is Bill for Sparky Channel. I recently installed a garbage disposal, and I went to a popular big box store, and I bought this power cord kit for $13.98 plus tax. And then later on, I went to Amazon and I checked. This is after I've already purchased it, right? And here's this power cord for $3.37 plus tax. I don't know about you, but that's frustrating to me when you see something later on for a fraction of the price that you paid. But if the InSinkErator brand turns out to be better quality, then I won't feel bad. So I went ahead and bought the one for $3.37. It's made by Bergen Industries. And I thought I'd do a comparison to find out if I got ripped off or not. Let's compare them. The one that I bought is 16 gauge. The one on Amazon is 16 gauge. The one that I bought is made in China. The one on Amazon is made in China. Both cords are 3 feet long. Now we're going to get into some differences. The one that I bought, which is made by InSinkErator, is UL approved. The one on Amazon is ETL approved. That's the Intertech Corporation. UL is a global safety certification company based in the U.S., and Intertech is also a global safety certification company based in London. One clear advantage to the InSinkErator brand is that it comes with a cable clamp and 2 wire nuts, while the one from Amazon does not. The InSinkErator brand cable is a flat cable, and the Bergen brand is a round cable, and the InSinkErator has more insulation around the individual hot and neutral wires. But the Bergen, although it has less insulation around the hot and neutral wires, it then has another round layer of insulation around everything. I think I'd give a slight nod to InSinkErator for insulation, but I think they're both well insulated. The Bergen gives you an easily identifiable white wire for the neutral. The InSinkErator gives you a black wire for the neutral, which is ribbed. InSinkErator depends on the customer knowing that that ribbed texture on the black wire means that that wire is neutral. And if they don't know that, there's a possibility that they're going to wire with reversed polarity. In conclusion, I would feel comfortable using either brand on my project. I think they're both excellent cords. They're both 16 gauge. They're both well insulated. But I can't really justify paying 4 times as much for the InSinkErator as for the Bergen. I'm just not seeing it. But, you know, the big box store that I've been going to, I've spent a lot of money there lately. I'm doing a big house renovation, and I've been going there a lot. And their prices, you know, they get you on these little things. They figure you're there anyway, and maybe the larger items are better prices, and they're going to stick you on the smaller little things like this. I'm not going to name any names. So, anyway, I wanted to know for myself how these cords stacked up and why there was such a price difference. So I hope that was interesting to you. I'll put links in my video description for both the cords. Now, you can get these InSinkErator cords for around $10 on Amazon. You know, I don't know why they're $14 at this particular big box store, but they are. Anyway, thanks for hanging in there with me. I had a little bit of a rant, but I wanted to know just what is the difference? Why such a price differential? So, thanks. I hope this video was helpful.